No.
Hey, no. All right, it's on the go, by the way.
Good. I'll fucking call the cops right now. They have been checking your dog for you.
All right.
Yeah, I used to be a road police
They're
officer.
outside.
Good. I'll go fucking go get a taco.
Go ahead, dude. I just want to drink more water.
What the hell, Leonte?
Drunk ass is gonna go outside.
What? You're not fucking bar? You're fucking having a bar?
You're drunk ass is gonna go for the car.
I'm drunk ass. How am I drunk ass?
I'm leaving, bro. I'm just drinking more water.
Dude, they're right in front of us.
Why are you
Get them boys some milk. I would do the what? I can't believe I missed the shit with Phil. Shit, I'm about to be like, fuck it. Dude.